Hello and welcome to this channel, and in this episode we are going to be making Canadian pea soup, aka Habitant Pea soup. The ingredients are listed in the description box down below. Follow along in this video for directions, and if you're not a member to this channel, go ahead and tap that subscribe button down below to help this channel grow. Awesome, let's get started. Okay, so what I have here is leftover ham and a ham bone that I had saved for this occasion. We also have 4 carrots that will be diced, 3 celery stalks and leaves from them, dice as well, 1 whole onion, dice also, 3 cloves of garlic that will be minced, 1 bay leaf, and 16 ounces of yellow split peas. Also, we have 4 cups of low sodium chicken stock and 2 cups of water, but we will also add another 2 cups of water once we get the process going. Then our flavor enhancements will be salt and cracked black pepper. Olive oil for sweating our onions and celery. Okay, let's dice our 1 onion. Okay. Next, dice into 3 celery stalks. Remember, leave the leaves on and roughly chop them. Okay. Next, let's chop up the 4 carrots as well. Okay, into little cubes, little bite sizes, and go ahead and scrape them onto the plate of onions and celery. Now let's mince the 3 garlic cloves and put them on the plate of goodies also. Okay. Alright, and time to work on our leftover ham. So what I'm doing is carving off all the good meat from the bone as best as I can. And then I'm going to put the bone into a separate pot to boil for 1 hour with 4 cups of low sodium chicken stock and 4 cups of filtered water as well. The 2 flavors combined are going to give us a nice rich flavor that is ideal for this soup. In the meantime, let's go ahead and roughly chop up our ham into little bite sizes to be able to fit on the spoon. Okay, very good. Okay, 1 hour has passed and it's time to strain our stock into a separate container. I'm choosing a mixing bowl. It's what I have big enough for the strainer and liquids. Okay, set your stock aside for a moment. It's time to incorporate all our ingredients into a slow cooker. I like to use a slow cooker because that's exactly what this recipe needs to do, is to slow cook in order to avoid any kind of risk of burning your soup. And believe me, it's very possible with a thick soup like pea soup, so play it safe and slow cook it for 5 to 6 hours. I promise you, you won't regret it. Okay, so let's go ahead and sweat our onions and celery in a frying pan to release some of the nice flavors. Don't caramelize them, just sweat them, and then add them to the slow cooker. Great. Now, one by one, incorporate the rest of the ingredients, then drown it with your special stock and mix it well. Add a couple of tablespoons of salt, then set your slow cooker for high for 5 hours. Awesome, 5 hours has passed, and give it a stir and your transformation should look like this. Look at this comforting Canadian yummy goodness. Habitant Pea soup, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, you know what to do. Like and leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for future updates. Until next time, this is Jeremy signing out.